Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a 2000 Honda Civic Si. We're here with Brent today. Got an Instagram page called Great Lakes Vintage Honda, and this is his amazing collection. Tell me a little bit about this Si you have here.
2000 Civic Si. They actually brought the Si back for the 99-2000 model year. It was the only 2 years that they were sold during this generation at least. And one of the great things when they brought this car back is they actually brought VTEC from the factory and a factory engine to the States, which was kind of nice. They had done it on the Integra Type R in 1997, but then we finally got it in the Civic in 99 and 2000.
Oh really? Okay.
Yep. So this is an example of that. I think they made somewhere in the neighborhood of about 19,000 of these over a 2-year run, 99, 2000. And you could only get them in 3 colors. So this one is Milano Red.
Okay.
You could get it in Nighthawk Black Pearl, or you could get it in Electron Pearl Blue, which is a beautiful color too.
Yeah, that is a nice one.
Very pretty color.
Cool.
This car I've owned for about 7 years. I think right now it has about 76,000 miles on it. It's pretty much all original. It's had a little paint work done here or there, but stock exhaust, everything else OEM and stock, just like it came from the factory. So this is a 1.6 liter, came with about 160 horsepower right from the factory. And you know, for years before this car was offered, a lot of Honda folks were actually taking these engines out of other cars and putting them into a lot of Civics at that time.
Okay, yeah.
In the early 90s. So this was a really popular engine to get at that point out of Japan, or I'm not sure if they had these in Canada or not, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. Beautiful. A little walk around, show you the condition of this baby. Check out the interior. Super clean, obviously. With that classic Honda beep. Drives pretty well. Car is actually quite incredible. It's so fun to drive. Check out these curves here. Some road work ahead, sadly. Driving that 1991 and we got cut off by this traffic, which is probably going to happen right now. So we're probably going to have to turn around. car is incredibly lightweight and nimble, obviously. Really rings out on the gears. Pretty spectacular. Definitely wouldn't mind having one of these, that's for sure. Alright everybody, well thanks for watching. We're going to have to cut this video a little short. Always grateful to Brent for letting me drive his classic Hondas. Doesn't get much better than this. So, be sure to like and subscribe so I can keep posting some more videos. Appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.